Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to a Capcut tutorial on how to remove background noise. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is you can do a couple things in the basic audio section, like enhance voice and reduce noise. But there's an extra little section here called separate audio. And you do need the pro feature for this, but let's say I was to hold it down, like even on mobile, this would work, and then go to separate audio. I would just go ahead and press vocals or whatever it is that I want to separate, and then it would go ahead and take out all that other background noise and just lift up my voice to the forefront or whatever it is that I was looking for. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a CapCut tutorial. I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day.